Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I thought I would show you a little bit of our day and just take you along with us. We have a doctor's appointment and I have a couple of places that I'm running around to. So let's do this. So it's pretty early. It's like 10 o'clock and the store is about to open. A teaching store. So it's one of our favorites. I don't have Ezra with me, but he is needing just some more curriculum books with multiplication. So I thought I would just kind of hop in there really quick. I've also had a few of you ask about Jonas's arm. And so we are going to go today to go do that second appointment about whether he needs to be recasted, whether they see anything, whether he has to get surgery, whether it's all better, which that's what I'm hoping for. It's that it's all better. So I'll take you along with us doing that. And I'm also going to show you a little bit tomorrow because it's Ezra's birthday. And so, well, this will be like a twofer day. So let's go into Lakeshore and then let's get started with our day. I love this store. They sometimes will do teacher workshops and I've been coming here for decades. So all of this is like a love language. So I think I got what I needed, but I have to hurry because then other things start to draw me in. So I just got Ezra a couple of these multiplication books. He is like a rock star at working on his multiplication. It's a little challenging for him, but just some repetition will help with that. And actually, this is my favorite, one of my favorite workbook brands or companies is Spectrum. So I usually get them off Amazon, but I had a coupon, so buy one, get one half off. So I'm happy with that. So now we need to go take care of the house. So when I say I have to take care of things at home, you can see behind me, we have furniture out because my mother-in-law and my aunt are here to kind of move up some furniture from this house to another house. And so we just are here to help them. So there's Ezra. I also am making his lunch. So let me just show you what we've just moved already and we'll just see how much we can get out of the house. So this piece I gave to my aunt when we first moved into our house. This was actually the first piece of furniture I put together by myself when I was 19, you guys. So it is pretty old. It's from IKEA and it's from like the kids' armoire section. But these are like some really nice things of hers that they've just redone their basement. So they have room for some other furniture and furnishings, I should say. So we're going to be putting that on a moving truck for them. Ezra is just running around because he is trying to tell me it's time to make his mac and cheese. So his lunch of choice. All right, looks like he's happy. Are you happy? He's like, hurry, Mom, I'm so hungry. But look what we have here. Marbles. Grandma brought these for you. And what did she say? They were like her father's marbles. Mm-hmm. They found in a chest, or they could be her older brother's marbles. Either way, they are over 70 years old, possibly 90 years old. 100. So I thought they would be really cute in that little jar just to kind of look. What a great story. So Jonas and I are going to be heading out really soon here. We're just hoping it all works out for the best, right? All right, so we are at the doctor's. We've pulled up. We're a little bit early, so we have some time to interview the hurting child. So when you got your cast on, it hurt pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. It's been how long?
3 weeks.
Okay, so it's been 3 weeks. You want to show us? Show us your little wrist.
This is the difference.
Is it feeling better?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I would say so.
What do you predict is going to happen today?
No cast, hopefully.
You walk out without a cast on? Mm-hmm. Oh, I hope so. Yes, that would be amazing.
If I do, it'll be red.
Okay, so we'll see. We'll see what they suggest. They're going to be sawing that thing off and then taking another x-ray, and then they will make a decision based on that, like, ultrasound. I mean, it's like a
Ultrasound.
it's like an ultrasound type x-ray or something. It's like a fancy, expensive x-ray. It's not just a regular x-ray. So, wish us luck. Let's go find out what happens. These are his x-rays. Now we go see the doctor. Okay, so as a mom, that was a first for me, is to watch him have that saw. I think I did some covert videoing, and having that. Did that hurt your arm when you were? No. So it was not a big deal to have that saw like cut through that cast. Not a big deal at all. The only bummer is that we had to get re-scanned, because when we got there, they had us go scan first, and then we had to do, the doctor's like, they should have taken your cast off before you x-rayed. And I was starting to worry. I'm like, am I going to be charged double for that? No. So what happened?
They cut off my cast. We went to go get x-rays, and it's good.
No, he doesn't have a cast anymore. Woo woo. Yeah, he's just posing there now. That looks good. Does it feel weird without the cast on?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, he says it feels like a tingle. So is it tingling right now?
Yes, a lot.
Ugh, you're touching your face. It's all probably dirty, your hand. Ew. He says he wants to take a shower when he gets home. Well, it's kind of later in the afternoon. I don't have dinner planned, so we're going to need to figure out what we're going to get for dinner. Something fairly inexpensive, maybe. Okay, so we decided to have some Cafe Rio tonight. Yay! We're going to have Cafe Rio tonight, and then I'll show you tomorrow what we're having for Ezra's special birthday. So I didn't plan dinner so well for tonight, but it's okay. We had a lot going on today, and we're still going to be pretty busy moving all that stuff tonight. So it's okay. We're going to get a little dinner tonight and special tomorrow. I am so hungry. I can't wait to eat, and I know the boys will eat this and devour it. So check plus for dinner tonight. Well, it is bright and early, like 7:30, but my goal was to wake up even earlier than that. Apparently, the little birthday boy decided to wake me up in the middle of the night and couldn't get back to sleep. So let me know down below if that happens to you. Happens to me a lot in our house. So yay, it is Ezra's birthday, and I'm on my way to go get the birthday boy his donuts and birthday soda. Woo woo! All right, so let's go get those donuts. All right, so Ezra, happy birthday.
Thank you.
And look at those donuts. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my.
Okay, so you don't have to eat both of them, but I
Yes.
just figured you could have some with your nice little soda. So which one do you think you're going to eat?
I haven't tried this one yet.
Are you so excited to be 8?
Mom already ate.
Yeah, you're 8 now today. So are you so excited to be 8 this year? There's some good things happening, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like what kind of things are happening?
I'm gonna get baptized.
Yes, he's going to become baptized in a couple of weeks. So we're super excited about that. And I think he's pretty excited about those donuts. And he already got a present. He got some money from his grandma and his aunt.
You need to try this.
Oh, I do? Okay.
You're gonna love it.
And he got a Lego car set from us so far. Oh, yeah, that's good. So today has been so far all about Ezra. So he got to pick the breakfast And he's going to pick the lunch, and then we're going to do something special a little bit later this evening. Where are we going to pick up lunch?
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden. All right, look what that birthday boy is eating. He can't wait to get home to eat, so he's going to have some of his lunch in the car. What are you eating?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. And then he also has some French fries and I think some grapes, right? Yeah,
And
how is it?
soda.
And a soda. How is it tasting?
Good.
Gosh, it's good to have a birthday, huh?
Yep.
All right, so I love their pasta fagioli and just soup and salad, a little breadstick. This is a tour of Italy. We've had, it's got the fettuccine alfredo, lasagna, and chicken parm. And Jonas has got his own little chicken parm over there.
So good.
I bet. So how's that arm feeling? Did you have any aches last night?
Yes.
A little bit? Yeah, we're kind of expecting that. But,
I can move it.
no pain in that?
Not really.
Good. And there's the birthday boy's grapes and French fries.
And ketchup.
And ketchup.
And soda.
So we are going to be having some fun a little later, aren't we? Yeah, can't wait to show them, huh? Ooh. Fuzzy, where are we at?
Lost Roads.
Where?
Lost Roads.
Oh, it's so fun. Are you having so much fun, Ezzy? Yes? He just ran over here and he's been very excited and playing. You're working up a sweat, huh?
Yeah.
Are you having a fun birthday? Cool. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay! It's your perfect.
I'm not 8 yet.
It's your perfect piece of cake. Oh yeah. Did you have a good birthday? Yeah. Aw. So that is it, you guys. Yesterday we went to the doctors, got good news. Today we celebrated Ezra and he had a great day. Wouldn't you say? Yes. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. And no cast. Woohoo! So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.
Bye.